Hello friends, welcome to Penhouse channel. In this video let us see a review of Hero H718 fountain pen. This comes with a beautiful box, and if I open, we have a warranty certificate inside that box, and let us see the warranty certificate. Hero has made a stamp on the certificate. Also, this comes with the manual how to use this pen. Let me show you how to use this pen. Before that, let us see how the pen feels. This is a full silver body pen. It is having a good bulky holding area. If you open the pen, you cannot see the nib, and if you rotate at the bottom, the nib will come out. It's a golden nib. It is 10 karat gold nib. Number 5.5 nib is only fitted in this, and we have 5.5 in many brands. Hope you can see the nib clearly. It is a medium tip fountain pen. We cannot close the pen with the nib in open condition. There is a small rod inside this cap, so it will prevent just closing the pen in nib open condition. You want to pull the nib backwards, then only you can close the pen. You can see a Hero emblem on the top of the pen, and beautiful design is there in the clip. Clip is small, but it is very strong. Let us see the length of this pen. The length of the pen with the cap, it is around 137 mm, and diameter of the cap, average diameter is around 14.9 mm, and average diameter of the body is around 12.7 mm. Length without cap is 109.6 mm. So let me explain how to fill the ink. Before that, you need to push the nib outside and just pull this back area and dip it inside the ink bottle up to this level, just 10 mm or 20 mm. It should be inside the ink, and gently rotate anti-clockwise. In that condition, the piston will go in to the front, so at one moment it will stop. Okay, now just rotate in anti-clockwise. The piston will suck the ink. At one moment it will stop. Do this exercise for 2-3 times whenever you are filling first time, so that the air trapped inside the pen will come out totally. So you will get ink fully in the cartridge. So rotate anti-clockwise to push the piston down, and just rotate clockwise to fill in ink inside the reservoir. Once it is stopped, just press it and just wipe the excess ink with the cloth, and you can start writing. As I told, it is a gold nib, 10 karat gold nib. Please preserve it. Use Pilot or Waterman or Schiefer ink for this particular type of pen. Since it is a medium nib, you can use Brill also. I am testing this pen with Brill ink as of now, because Brill is one of the preferred ink. I am just simply dipping with Brill ink. See, by dipping you cannot see the exact flow in the nib. because excess ink may be held in the feeder, so you will get a smooth experience when you dip and write, but the exact flow you may know only by filling the ink inside the pen. It writes very smoothly. This is a medium nib. This is written with the Hero H718 converter type fountain pen with Brill ink. So whenever you don't use the pen, please wash the pen thoroughly and keep it safe. This pen is really nice. You can make a try of this pen, and if you have any doubts on using this pen, please let us know. We can help you. We never removed this back portion, and if I get a chance to remove, definitely I will make a separate video and I will update you. So the price of the pen is around 5,000 rupees, and definitely you will be getting a good discount when the pen is launched in our website. You can engrave the name on the pen since this is a steel body. In all the steel body pens, we can engrave the name with laser marking. Even the Hero name is written in laser marking only. It is having a Hero emblem on the top. Again, if you have any queries on this particular type of pen, please I'll leave in the comment section. Definitely we will try to answer you.